Hello viewers, today we are going to learn order of operations. Order of operations is the order in which we do the various operations in mathematics. So here we have PEMDAS or PEDMAS. PEMDAS is P stands for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So here we can use PEMDAS or PEDMAS, we can say, because M and D are on the same priority. M is multiplication and D is division. They are on the same priority. When both the operations are there in the same question or same problem, then we go from left to right. So let's take few examples, then you will be able to understand it fully. So here we have an example like 12 plus 36 divided by 4 minus 2. So for solving this, we are going to write 12 as is plus, first what comes is division. We don't have parentheses, we don't have exponent, we don't have any multiplication sign here, we have division. So we'll do division thing first. So here this is the thing we are going to solve first. So 36 divided by 9, that 36 divided by 4 is 9, and then minus 2. Now here we see that both addition and subtraction are there, and then in the PEMDAS we have addition and then subtraction. So we'll add first and then we'll subtract this. If we'll subtract first, then we'll get a different answer. So we have to follow the rules, which is PEDMAS or PEMDAS. So we'll add the two numbers first, which is 12 plus 9 is 21, and then subtract 2 from it, which is going to give us 19. So our answer will be 19. Next, move on to the next question, which is 4 square times 8 minus 3 square. This is an exponent, this is a parenthesis. So here for solving, we are going to write 4 square as is, and then we are going to first solve the parenthesis, which is 8 minus 3, which is 5. And now we have, after P we have exponent. So now we are going to solve for exponent, which is 4 square, which will give us 16, and then times 5. So 16 times 5 is 80. So our answer is 80. Now the next one is 7 times, this is a big one, but we have two parentheses here. So first we'll solve the parentheses. So 7 times 8 minus 5. Here multiplication and subtraction. So first multiplication comes, PEMDAS, PEDMAS. So we'll do multiplication, which is 7 times 8 is 56 minus 4. And then here we are going to solve this parenthesis, which is 6 minus 2, which is 4. So 56 minus 4 is 52 divided by 4. Now we can divide the two numbers. So our 52 divided by 4 will give you 13. So our answer is 13. This is how we make use of the PEDMAS or PEMDAS system of operations to find which, if there is a complex problem, we need to find which operation we should go first. Then we use PEMDAS or PEDMAS. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Thanks for watching.